Good afternoon, folks. This is your real estate housing market review for the North Okanagan for October of 2025. The North Okanagan has done better than some of the other areas in British Columbia and certainly better than the coast. It's held its own, is what it's done through the correction. All areas corrected in 2023 and the first part of 2024. But it's leveled off and stabilized, as you can see from the absorption rate. And again, that is the percentage of housing inventory that's sold on a monthly basis. It is the direct indicator of the two driving forces of the market, which is supply and demand. So you look at October absorption, we're up to almost 19%. That's 1% below the 20%, where above 20% is actually a seller's market. So we're seeing zero pressure on prices. Prices are basically stabilized. But you can see the absorption. We had 11% back in September of 2024, and it's been inching up ever since. And now we're getting very close to that 20%. So the market is stabilized in the North Okanagan. Sales was 77 housing sales in October of 2025. Last year, 68, the year before, 74. So you can see the contradiction between this and the lower mainland or the North Okanagan and some of the other areas of the interior, like the central Okanagan. The North Okanagan has been fairly stable, and it is most likely going to continue to stabilize or start to push up. You're going to see some upward pressure if we get absorption up over that 20% mark. Um, if interest rates come down one more time in 2025, I think you're going to see continued pressure in all of the zones in British Columbia, upward pressure, and getting into that recovery cycle, or the recovery leg of the cycle. That's your housing market review for the North Okanagan for October of 2025.